All right, now let's look at its capabilities. And from the capabilities perspective, let's say start with problem solving. So GPT-4 can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy itself, and this is basically because of broader general knowledge and problem solving abilities itself, right? And of course, from the creativity perspective, like GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before, basically because it can generate, edit and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or even learning a user's writing style itself, right? So these are the things which is pretty intense about GPT-4, and then we have this visual input, right? So the from that perspective, if you think like, so GPT-4 can now receive images as a basis of interaction, right? So this is also pretty important. Like many a times it happens like you like to have this image speaks about itself, and you need to decode the image as in like what it is exactly telling, but could have been the context of that and how it can be illustrated further. So this is nice way to go about this visual input. And the next thing which comes is of course that longer context, which it says like GPT-4 can handle input and output of up to, let's say, 25,000 words of text, right? And it has over 8x the 3,000 words that like the GPT could handle with GPT 3.5. So it's like 8 times of GPT 3.5 that normally with GPT 3.5 3,000 words that GPT could can handle, but it's almost 8 times in this case GPT-4. And advanced reasoning capabilities is obviously GPT-4 surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities, which is of course which we'll be seeing in practice while we're doing this. And in this particular section, what is we are going to see in the next section as well, like is like it's 3.5 and 4. When I say 3.5 is entirely free for use as a ChatGPT user, and 4 is the premium version at the moment, which means like $20 a month at the time of recording, that is as a plus member. So this module, what I have done is targeted entirely as a freemium thing, like a free plus premium. So in which case, let's say 99% of users who are not having, let's say, a premium version can solve these problems with free version itself. So don't worry about that only GPT-4 capabilities. I'm just listing this part because we are also going to thoroughly see like what are the capabilities of GPT-4 in action. So apart from that, like GPT-4 is 82% likely to respond, is less likely to respond to requests for disallowed contents, and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than 3.5. So this is nice, right? So because this is means like it's more accuracy and like it's more accurate in terms of that. It also has potential uses in research, writing assistance, and language translation itself, right? So this is what we are going to see in some time in when we are talking about this thing into the different sections itself.